Do you guys want to find crypto before it even launches? Or even better yet, guys, do you want to find crypto that has the potential to moonshot 100x? Well, you know what? You guys watching this video right now are in the right place at the right time. Well guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how I found gems like SafeMoon, AquaGoat, 100x coin, and Hypercoin that have already made me over $500,000. I'm gonna show you guys how to find these. Cue the intro. What's up, fam? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. My name is Bad Anthony, and on this channel we talk all things money, wealth, crypto, and finance. If you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below. It's good karma. With that being said, let's get to the video.
We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing.
Now, if you guys have already crossed your I's and dotted your T's, you're already up on game in the crypto world. Kudos to you guys. You guys are still in the 1% of the entire world who's either invested or even knows about cryptocurrency. I want to completely congratulate you because you've taken the time out to educate yourself. Well, now all you 1%ers who took that time out to invest in your future, there's a whole nother world of crypto that you guys might want to check out and be a part of, because it can sure make you a heck of a lot of money. Now, in this cryptocurrency world that I'm going to tell you about, it's kind of like a third world country. The third world country of crypto. It's the ugly middle child, the brown banana. You guys are probably asking, Bad Anthony, what the heck are you talking about? I'm talking about a place called Meme Coin Land. Guys, in Meme Coin Land, you can find crypto on the ground level that just launches. You can find projects that reward you just for holding. It's called tokenomics. And in Meme Coin Land, you can finally say that you got into a coin on ground level and you finally got in early, for once. Now in this video, I promised you that I was gonna show you how to find these projects on ground level. And you know Bad Anthony always keeps his word. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's hop in my phone. Now guys, the first outlet you can use to find these coins is called Crypto Moonshots on Reddit. If you go to Crypto Moonshots on Reddit, there will be a list of different coins and tokens that just came out, that just launched, that you can possibly get into. Okay guys, the second outlet where you can find these coins that just launched is in Telegram. And I'm gonna get specific with you. There's a few chat rooms that you need to be in. One of them, obviously, is crypto moonshots. The second one is the unruggables. Also known as the 100% unruggable community token group. And now the third group that you need to be in on Telegram is called Crypto Mobs. These guys do a very good job on finding out if the projects are rug pulls or not. Praise to God, I haven't gotten rug pulled yet. So guys, these are the three groups on Telegram where I am constantly finding and testing out new coins. Okay guys, the third outlet is in TikTok. By the way, go subscribe to my channel on TikTok under Bad Anthony. Now in TikTok, if you scroll through the comments, you guys will be able to see that there are people posting about tokens all the time. People are always posting and constantly promoting their token or their coins or the next 100x coin. So what you want to do is go in the comments, look at these coins, and you want to do your own research on BSC Scan. Take these coins, look them up, make sure they're not a rug pull, and then invest in them. Now the fourth outlet that I use to find these crypto coins and projects is Twitter. Now you want to go on Twitter and just type in crypto. A bunch of accounts will come up. Follow each and every one of those. Some people that I like to follow is JRNY Crypto, BitBoy Crypto is good, Crypto Moonshots as well. Guys, these projects are all available to you on Twitter. Now guys, once you find a project, you want to go to a website called BSC Scan and check to make sure the token, the project, the coin that you just found is not a rug pull. So you guys are probably asking, Anthony, what's a rug pull? So guys, a rug pull is when the developer of the coin, token, or project that you're invested in takes all the liquidity from the project, cashes out his coins, and runs and hides and doesn't show his face ever again, leaving you holding your bag. So when you do find a token or coin or project that you like, you want to go to BSC Scan and scroll down to holders. Click on holders. Once you click on holders, you want to scroll down and go to the right. You want to see how much the top wallet has in tokens. If the percentage is above 10%, there's a good chance that this token, project, or coin could be a rug pull. So I urge you guys to always check this. Now for Hypercoin, I've already done the research and I've already done my homework. I looked at the holders. If you look at the holders right now, the top guy has only 1 to 2%. Me knowing that, I could invest and go all in because I know that the developer doesn't have all the coins and can just take them and run. So this is a project, guys, that I'm going all in. Hypercoin, baby. Now guys, at the end of the day, I just want you to be safe and make some money, just like I did. So don't take this as financial advice at all. I'm just showing you what I'm doing currently at the moment. Now guys, these coins could be risky because you're getting in on ground level. They can either falter or they can shoot to the moon. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, join the family down below by hitting the subscribe button. With that being said, guys, I'll see you in the next video.